for today's recipe, we are going to cook paksiw na yellowfin with coconut milk. It is an ordinary Filipino recipe that is cooked and simmered with vinegar and perfectly eaten with steamed rice. First, we're going to arrange our yellowfin fish in the pan. Just like that. So, sa mga marunong po magluto dyan, alam nyo na. Kanya-kanya tayong version ng pagluluto. So, this is my easiest way of cooking paksiw.
Sinata po yung teacher ko, eh. Nasa sasakyan ko, nakita ko po.
Sino
Yung teacher ko, si Ma'am Credo, may sa
And now, we are going to put the other ingredients. We have here garlic, ginger, and onions. So, all of that was cut into slices. I have here string beans cut into 1.5 inches. You can also put an eggplant if the string beans is not available. And now you are going to put a 1/2 tablespoon of ground pepper and salt to taste. You're also going to put pieces of bay leaves. Ground pepper has a fine and consistent texture that will bring spices throughout your dish, and while the bay leaves will give an extra aromatic flavor. I have here seasoning granules, though this will enhance the flavor of what you are cooking. But this is just an optional. Whether you put it or not, there's no problem with it. It's totally fine. So after putting 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, we are now going to put 1/4 cup of kukumama or coconut milk. So in Tagalog, we call that gata. And after that, we are going to put 1/4 cup of water. After putting all the ingredients, you are now bring to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes under low to medium heat. So now, this is halfway to cook. So you can taste it just to make sure that the taste of the vinegar and the salt is perfectly balanced. And there you go. Our paksiw na yellowfin with coconut milk is perfectly done. It is so easy and simple way of cooking your favorite fish. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!